Hello all, I am Harshad Rajopadhyay, Marketing Communications Manager for Chicago Pneumatic, Power Technique Customer Center, India. And I am here to introduce you with an exciting service that we have recently launched in this year. Repower Center in Pune. With me, I have Vakar Anjum. So, hi Vakar.
Hi Harshad, myself Vakar Anjum from Chicago Pneumatic Power Technique Customer Center. Right now we are at our newly built Repower Center where we rebuild the machine and convert them into new machine. As you know, most of the parts in old machine can be reused. So we rebuild the machine, we overhaul all major component and give back it to the customer so that it can give 100% productivity.
So Vakar, can you tell us what is your criteria to accept the old machine?
Yeah, as you can see, this is the old machine we have taken from customer. This is old 400E 150, almost worked 7 years at a mine. So, as you can see the core here, this machine having all the parts misaligned, some parts are missing. So we are going to overhaul the complete machine. Some parts need to be replaced, some parts need to be rearranged. After that, we rebuild it and this machine gives 100% performance.
And how about the warranty and other aspects?
Yeah, we are giving 1 year warranty for rebuild machines.
That's perfect. So, do you have any machine that is recently repowered in this center?
Yeah, of course. Let's have a look at the newly rebuilt machine.
Great. Let's go.
So here we are. This is our newly rebuilt 300 electrical machine. This model majorly used for mining application and sandblasting application. So this machine is already used by customer for almost 7 years. After that, we received this machine in a bad condition. So we check this machine, we clean this machine, we check all the major components. So as you can see, all the components are repaired, overhauled, or replaced. So
this electric motor is also replaced?
Yeah, this is new electrical motor. Each and every component is assessed, checked, and repaired if required, replaced if required. So this machine is completely overhauled and ready to use. I can show that it will give 100% performance as new. We tested this machine at our Repower Center, and this is as good as new.
Indeed, it looks very clean and ready to be used in road construction, sandblasting applications with the same productivity and same efficiency. So thank you, Vakar, for introducing us to these exciting services that we at Chicago Pneumatic are offering to our customers. So to summarize, if you have any old machine that is beyond 6 years, please reach out to our sales and service network, our dealers. You can even contact us through our toll-free number and even reach out to us through our website. Thank you all.
Thank you.